Hey everyone, it's me, Joseph Peretz, and you are watching my video series on how to build your own ADU garage conversion. What is the biggest mistake homeowners make when roofing their ADU? You'll have to stay tuned to find out. But before you install new roof shingles on your garage, you have to get your ADU plans permitted. I have personally designed and built more than 50 ADUs in the past year. And I also do construction in the greater Los Angeles area. So if you have any questions at all about architectural plans, design, or construction, check out my website, josephperetz.com. It has a ton of information on the ADU process, and it's linked down below. Also, like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps a ton. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake homeowners make when installing their roof shingles. In this week's video, we'll be talking about the roofing for your ADU garage conversion. This garage is an existing 370 square feet. We are converting this garage into a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom ADU. Roofing, really important because this is actually a big cost of the ADU. Now, for this project, we barely did any roofing work. I'll talk about it in a second, but very little roof work, because the existing roof already had plywood and it already had new shingles. The homeowner actually just re-roofed about a year before we built this ADU. But in general, a lot of the ADUs are going to have old shingles. So top layer of the roof is going to be shingles usually. Whether it's clay or whether it's shingles, just depends on your ADU. For here, we're talking about shingles. These come in all sorts of colors and all sorts of designs. Usually your cool roof shingles are going to come in a bunch of colors, or you can do more like a presidential roof, which nicer shapes like diamond shapes or square shapes. Keep that in mind. Under the shingles, there's going to be a layer of plywood. This is important. You want to make sure that your level of plywood, depending on when it was installed, doesn't have any water damage or any leaks or any holes. So you got to go up there and inspect it, usually through the attic or go on top of the roof. If all is good, then you're fine. You don't have to do a new roof. But if you don't have plywood, or if your shingles are worn away or they're too old, make sure to redo your roof. Now, for the top of the roof, what did we install in the roof? We have our plumbing vents. Remember, every single plumbing fixture, which is your sink, your washer dryer, your vanity, your toilet, and your shower, they all need vents that go up into the roof. The other thing that you need to do is also figure out if you're going to do a skylight or a sun tunnel, right? So we actually have a skylight here in our living room that we framed up and then installed a skylight from the top. And then we also did a solar tube, and that's the same thing. We framed up through the drywall and through the attic and then installed it into our roof. What I will say, just a little added bonus, is that I really like the skylights and the solar tubes. They are not that expensive, you know, $250, $300 plus some framing and plus some roof work, but they make a big difference to your ADU. So always think about installing them. The biggest mistake homeowners make when it comes to roof is not making a decision on whether or not they want to re-roof in time. This is one of the pivotal things that you need to do just in the beginning when you're getting bids. Number one, your contractor will tell you if you need a new roof, but you also need to have that conversation with the contractor. So sometimes we have a brand new roof and we don't want to touch it. That's okay, but we are going to be putting vents on your roof. So make sure that that is taken care of and it's completely waterproofed. If you are going to do a new roof, it is important to make that decision in the beginning so you don't get hit with a big change order. These are things that contractors want to know, and we all need to make decisions together. We have a beautiful roof here. You can do presidential shingles or cool roof shingles. Look at your Title 24 to make sure that you know exactly what you're doing with your roof. Thanks again for watching the video. If you like what you just saw, I offer a comprehensive course on how to build an ADU garage conversion as an owner builder. Just go to josephperetz.com for all your ADU needs. The course is going to save you thousands of dollars and hours of headaches. And again, remember, like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment down below anything you need for your ADU. And check out all my social media. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.